Alright, good morning from Athens. Look at this view. Insane. And right behind me, got the Acropolis. That's where we're headed to next. I didn't know it'd be this pretty. It's incredible. It really is. This is nuts. Wow. It definitely kind of feels like a movie set. Doesn't really feel like these things are really as old as they are, but they really are. It's crazy. Never can see, but got the ocean way over there. That's so cool, man. I feel very lucky that I get to see this type of stuff. This is something I'll remember for the rest of my life being up here. The Turks were using this as a powder storage place, and there was a siege, and a cannonball hit it and blew it up. That is crazy. I had no idea.
Thank you. Oh, perfect. Aww.
So this is the prison of Socrates. This is believed to where Socrates was held before he was executed. Socrates was accused of corrupting the youth and disrespecting the gods, and he willingly took his punishment because he believed it was the right thing to do. A true martyr. Pretty badass, man. It's not confirmed whether or not he was actually here, but it was just strongly believed because this is usually where they held prisoners. There's no definitive proof that he was actually held here. These are also used for storing weapons and other things. But it's more about the symbolism of what Socrates represents. That's cool, man.
What do you think?
I think it looks good.
But the size is good, yes.
Yeah, I think so.
But you see, you must adjust it.
Yeah.
These parts. You must make it, you know, on your feet.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Τι να δούμε.
Κοπέλα, το γέννη που της πήρα μέτρα.
Yeah, St. Louis and Kansas are really very locally, you know.
Yeah.
They're basically the capital of the big cities of their states. It's kind of where most people end up. Who's your father? Is this your father?
Yeah. Έχεις ένα ξεκαρφωτήρι. Το μητερό έχει αυτό.
Το μικρό.
Το μικρό, ναι. Λίγο να το σπρώξω αυτό. Because I went there to study fine arts, but you know, there were always on strike. So I said, okay, it was a good decision because I always wanted to go to the States. It was, I loved, you know, the new world.
Alright, if you're here and you want to get a gyro, don't fall a trap, go into a restaurant, man. What you want to do is find one of these, what do you call them, like food stalls, right? And this gyro and this beer cost me, I think, like €7. So $7 for a nice ass sandwich hot. If you go to restaurants, it's gonna cost you like $18 just for the sandwich. Don't do that, man. Get it on the street like the locals do. Oh yeah. Tzatziki, tomato. Good shit, dude. Man. I wish you guys could taste this. This is so good, dude. This is the pork, too. I thought lamb was like a lot more common. Apparently not. Pork and chicken are like the two most common ones out here. That's really fucking good. Alright, so this is ouzo. And this is the preferred drink of Greeks. It's anise flavored, so it tastes like licorice. Honestly, not my favorite thing. Not a big fan of the anise flavor, but went ahead and tried it. This really cool spot too. Hard for you guys to see, but I see the Acropolis out here too. So it's pretty crazy. I'm right down in the middle of the late night area, and this is an 11th century church. Insane, man. Insane. Look at this thing. It's so old. And it's right here in the middle of all of the late night activities. Wow. It's awesome, man.